Did you know you can connect to a Wi-Fi network without needing a password? Or even view a saved Wi-Fi password directly from your phone settings? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that without a hassle. So, let's get started. First, take the phone that's already connected. Now swipe down on the home page to open the control panel. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Then tap on this gear icon. At the top, you can see this QR code option. Tap on it. Now take the other phone where you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Again, swipe down and go to the control panel. Tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap Details, and here at the top, you can see this scan option. Tap on it. Here at the top, you can see this scan option. Tap on it. Now just scan the QR code, and your other device will be connected. And that's how you can connect Wi-Fi without any password. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.